Okay, I'm Dan Vogel. I'm with Open Range Construction Company. We're general contractors. And today we poured the upper or main level walls for the first structure. So on this project, we are using a product that we mix with the concrete, which is a fiber called Helix. And it is mixed with the concrete to provide strength, and it takes the place of some of the rebar. We still have some rebar around the windows. It helps with decreasing the amount of labor a bit on the volunteers.